In a peaceful moment of reflection, he gazes at a photograph of happier times with his daughter, regret flickering in his eyes. He recalls the laughter that used to fill their home, the innocence in her eyes that has now turned to guarded pain. With a heavy heart, he realizes the magnitude of his mistakes and the distance that has grown between them over time. Desperate for reconciliation, he seeks guidance on how to bridge the gap and heal the wounded bond with his daughter. He understands that it will take humility, patience, and genuine effort to rebuild the trust and connection with his daughter. With a renewed sense of purpose, he reaches out to his daughter with a heartfelt letter, pouring out his regrets and hopes for reconciliation. As he sends the letter, a mix of anxiety and anticipation fills his heart, praying that his words will resonate with his daughter's wounded soul. Days pass by in tense silence, his heart heavy with uncertainty, waiting for a response that could either shatter his hopes or mend their broken relationship.